Hello everyone, Habibi here. In this video I'm going to continue my tutorial on this how to create an airplane game in Unity. So this is my second tutorial about this subject. This time it is time to add touchscreen control buttons to control this airplane. So if you did not see my previous tutorial, please check out the link in the description. I made this flying airplane. It takes off from the ground, and this part of my tutorials I will add buttons, UI buttons. So I will create the buttons by right clicking this area and click UI. Then I will add this button. Let me set the position. I will need 4 buttons. So the first one I will place it where, let's say this area, bottom left area, and this button I name it left. I will name it slide left. And then I'm thinking about how much button do I need. So for now, just let's say we need 4 buttons. Okay, I name this button slide left, and then I will add another button. Let me resize the button for this first button. I need a button on the size should be 64 by 64. Instead of typing this text, let me just add this character. Yep, this way. And let me adjust the alignment of the character, the text. I set it to bold, font size 20. Yeah, it's fine. And this one for slide left. I don't know what is the term for the airplane rotation left and right. Just let me do this. You can let me know what is the correct term of this aircraft thing is. So never mind, let me just use this term. I position it here, let's say 64x and 64y, and then I duplicate this button and move it slightly on to the right side, and I name it slide right, and I change the symbol with this one. And then I will add another button. This one I will name it up, and I place it on the bottom right corner, and I set the x 64 and y 64, x minus 64. It should not be up, but instead let's add the down first, down, and I change the symbol this way. Let me just down. I don't know how to create the symbol for down. I can do this thing. Yeah, it is a bit tricky. I can rotate the button, I can rotate the text this way, and then I will add this one for the up. Yeah, let's say this place is nice. I name it up, and then I rotate the text respectively for the up button. Now it is time for scripting. So here I create a script. I name it TN airplane buttons. Double click the script to edit it, and I'm so sorry, we don't need this script. Let me just continue scripting here on our previous script that we had. Here let me create some functions. Before that, we need to create Boolean variables. I will add bool. I name the first variable going up, and then the second going down, slide left, I have another idea. Let's not use Boolean, but instead we use float variable. So we use float variables. So for going up, we only need two variables going up. Never mind about going down, and slide. Let's say slide right. And here we initialize the default value of going up. Going up equals to 0 f, and going and slide right equals to 0 f. Then we need to create a public function, public void go up down, and then we add a value here, a parameter float value, float fee. Let's say fee is value. Then here inside this method or function, we assign the value of fee to this variable. Go up down, we assign this value to this variable going up. Going up equals to fee, and we duplicate this method, and for this one go left right, and the value we assign the value to this variable, slide left, slide right. And we go back to Unity. Here we add, let's work on this up and down button first. For this up button, I'm going to add an event, a component called event trigger. Here I click this add new event type. I choose pointer down, click plus button, drag and drop the airplane object here, choose the script to an airplane, to an airplane, and we choose the go up down, and we set the value to 1. And for the down button, sorry, I forgot to add the another one. We have pointer down here, we need to add pointer up, and this one we set the value to for down for okay, here we set it to 0. And then for the down button, we do the same thing exactly. We add pointer up, we use this object, and we add this go up down, and we set the value to -1, and we add another one for pointer. We need to swap this, it. First one, pointer up, should be the value should be 0, and for pointer down the value should be -1, like this. And we are going to test the buttons, and let's see. Here is our airplane. Let's click this up button. It is already going up, and let me click this down button, and it is not working. Yes, it is not working because we did not do anything remarkable here on the scripting. We're just setting the value of going up to this value. We just assigned the value of v to this variable, and we did not do anything to the airplane itself. So here, to make it working, we need to use this variable. I copy this variable and just place it here. Here I will I just keep the variable for a moment, and here the button for the W button on our keyboard. If input.key get key code W, it will rotate the airplane downward, and this one for upward. So here I will add or if input is blah blah blah, or the going up value is equals is more than less. Yeah, if going up is less than 0 f, that it should go downward. It should go down. Sorry if my English is bad. And then for the S button, which is the a button that will elevate the airplane upward, here I do or going up more than 0 f, then it should do this. I'm not sure did I place it correctly or not. If I did not place it correctly, the symbol less or more. This one I will swap it later. So let's check the game, play the game. Remember, if we press S button, the airplane will go up, and if we press the W button, airplane is going down. So we should see the same thing if we press this, if we click these two buttons on the screen. So let me hold on. Now I'm not pressing my keyboard. Now I'm going to press this up button. It should go up this way. So as you can see here, the button is working, and if I press this button, it should go down. But I prefer this one to be inverted, but it depends on what you need. I think it is fine. I'm not going to invert it. On our keyboard, I prefer W as the button for going down and S for going up. But again, it is depending on what you want and what you need. So up and down button here is done. They are done, and now we are going to work on these slide left and right buttons. Basically the methods are same. So here we have this method and we have this variable. So I will copy this variable and I will do the same thing as this one here. So for the slide right, if it is less than 0f, so slide left. No, this one is different. But never mind. I should not name it slide. Slide is not this one. I was thinking about another thing, but let me just do this first. Here I'm going to change the name of slide. Just let me change it to rotate. Slide right, I replace it with rotate right, or just turn. I don't know what is the correct name. Rotate, turn. Yeah, rotate. You can do whatever you want. So if you know what is the correct name or the term, let me know in the comment section below. If not, just let me use this term. And here we click the button slide left, and should not be slide, and I mean rotate. This one also rotate. While it is selected, we add event trigger here. We click add pointer down, click plus button, drag and drop the airplane object here, choose the airplane, choose going left right, set the value negative 1, and for the pointer up, set the value to 0, and do the same thing here. Add the event trigger, pointer down, plus button, airplane, drag and drop here, to an airplane, go left right, set the value to 1, and add another one for pointer up, set the value to 0. Let's start the game and play it. Now let's click this button to check are they working or not. everything is working as we expected. So now we have our control buttons that is completely working, and we can use it for our mobile on our mobile devices. As I said before, I prefer to invert these buttons. So to invert it, just I swap this to more and swap this one to less, just this way. And if I play the game again, and one more thing, I don't like the speed of the airplane. It is too fast. Let me set it to 10, half speed, and let me run the game. Here is our airplane. Press this button to go up, and this one to go down, this one to rotate left, and this one to rotate right. Okay, that's all for this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and let me know if you have any question. Please, if you're not a subscriber yet, hit the subscribe button to support this channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye, and see you next time.